Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In today's video, I'll show you how to make video with pictures and music in Snapchat. So let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app and make sure you're logged in and your app is up to date. Once you're inside Snapchat, take a random snap. It can be anything. Then, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now, you'll see a plus sign icon, or sometimes right next to your Bitmoji, you'll see some of your pictures from your gallery. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you can select as many photos as you want from your gallery. For example, I'll just pick one to show you. You can adjust the shape or size of the photo by tapping on it. Then, just repeat the same steps to add more pictures, as many as you'd like. Now that your photos are added, let's add some music. Tap on the music icon on the right side of the screen. You can choose a song from the list or browse for your own track. For this example, I'll pick a random song from the category shown. Once you've selected your music, tap on Next, then tap on the checkmark icon. You can adjust the music by resizing it, or if you want to hide it, simply drag it down on the screen. When everything looks good, tap Send To and send it to your friends or post it to your story. Totally up to you. Now, if you don't see this music or photo feature on your Snapchat, here's what you can do. Close the app and go to your App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat, tap on it, and if you see an update button, go ahead and update the app. If it's already up to date, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Snapchat to refresh it. And that's it. That's how you make fun videos with pictures and music right inside Snapchat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.